Hi, I'm Isabella. We came to Broken Hill to shoot our winter campaign, which me and the design team started a year ago, and we had a really strong theme running through us all to create just this country old Victorian lace with red dirt, rustic leather draping over, like go back to our Australian roots and just get into the outback. So we created this range based on that theme. The shoot just came together so well and brought that range to life and that country theme. You know, we were shooting with a Hills hoist in the middle of a red desert with corrugated iron hotel falling apart. There was a perfect backdrop for this winter range.
Everything moves slow now. When you're sitting on the sand and the tide, it does so long.
Working with Shanina, oh my God, she is stunning and just the most beautiful soul, absolute trooper. She just nailed everything, getting shot after shot, just with a smile on her face. It was a beautiful experience to be able to work with her.
I'm in love with the whole collection. I'm going to Coachella in about 2 more weeks, and I want to try and take half the collection home with me.
Hear your voice just close enough to see through the drifting haze.
This is Sugar. She's our camel today. We thought we'd just get some camels, so very Australian outback, and lead them through the desert. This is the Rapunzel blouse. There's lots of lace and delicate detailing. And we've put it with Rapunzel dress, which is now being worn as a skirt. And we love it so much as a skirt, we're going to have to make the skirt, so aren't we?
Yeah.
So stay tuned.
The team just did so well out in over 30 degrees heat, dust flying everywhere. It was hardcore, but we all did it together. And we all worked together. It was really amazing and a lot of funny moments.
Listening to me now, and it's with me every step.
I hope you all enjoyed the blog post and enjoyed the imagery we created for this Revolver range. Okay, bye.